And you know what I love? I love getting things in the mail. So I decided to try a new company and I want to tell you about it. Have you ever heard of CrateJoy? CrateJoy brings me joy, I have to tell you. So I'm an affiliate with them and they have a plethora of different items that you can get in the mail, like subscription box services type stuff. So you can get things for adults, for moms, for dads, for men, for women, for children. You can get something for yourself, and that's what I have here. And so it's just a really cool way to show somebody that you care. Give something to somebody else. Give that little high point, a high note to their day. Right now, as I'm recording this, we're going through this whole thing and we're staying away from people and we're doing this physical distancing or social distancing, if you want to call it that. And you know what? We're not really going out a lot. So this is a great opportunity to go to your mailbox and receive a box of joy. Doesn't that sound like fun? So when I went to CrateJoy, and I am going to leave my link down below in the description box so you can learn more about them. When I went to their website, there was a whole lot of options, right? So there were things for tea, there were box services for books, like where you could get a different book every single month. There were ones for children and ones for adults, right? There was a tea box and I was like, I so wanted to do that. There was a time of the month box. Yes, like so the time of the month, you would get like different treats or different things that you may need for your time of the month. There were even science kits for kids. But after going through and scrolling, I ultimately decided on a soap box from a company called, here it is, Merkaela, and hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So this is my box right here. Do you like it? Nice bright pink color, kind of fuchsia, kind of fuchsia, right? Yeah, I would say so. And I actually haven't opened my box yet, but like I said, this is a soap box. You can choose between the deluxe or the essential box or the soap box. So I started out with the soap box, which you see here. I think this one was $16, but let me tell you a little tip. Don't tell anyone I told you, but if you're a first-time buyer with CrateJoy, they send you an email and they give you like 50% off, like a whole bunch of stuff. So this is what I did. But I'm also gonna link you down below to some gift ideas for Mother's Day, because as I'm recording it, Mother's Day is coming up. So if you're thinking about that special mom in your life and you want to send something to her, and we all know we're not doing Mother's Day brunch this year because everything is closed. This is the special gift that you want to give her. This is the special thing. So open with me and let's see what is inside the Merkaela box, okay? And I could tell you a whole bunch of stuff about this company, but my computer decided that it didn't want to work with me right now. So this is what I'm gonna tell you from what I recall, right? You can get vegan soaps or non-vegan ones, okay? Everything is all handmade using the most natural ingredients, and they're not highly perfumed, and just things that you would really enjoy putting on your body. Speaking of self-care, Harry, this is definitely goes into that self-care box, if you will. So I am going to open it. Voila. Let's see. First of all, it smells great, and it says your journey begins now. You probably can't even see that. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. But it says your journey begins now. And as I open the seal in here, very pleasant packaging. Smells so great. I'm gonna break the little seal and the little tissue paper inside. And there is the sweetest note, right? It's a little affirmation. And this one says, I feel safe in the rhythm and flow of ever-changing life. Like, this is so cool for right now, especially, this is pertinent for right now because, yeah, things have certainly slowed down. So I feel safe in the rhythm and the flow of ever-changing life by Louise Hay. What a beautiful affirmation. So I assume that each box that you get a different affirmation. So this is mine, so I'm gonna keep it in my wallet so I can remember, because sometimes I gotta tell you what, I needed a little reminder. Okay, so now I'm going to actually open the box. Like I said, I got the soap box. You can get the deluxe or the essentials. I started with a soap box. I assume next time I'll probably want to step it up and see, but I love soap. This is so good. This is handmade soap. It smells so good. This is where I wish you could smell through your video screen, right? Look how cute. Look how cute this is. Like I said, this particular box is only gonna cost you, set you back about I think it was like around $15 to $16. But handmade, handcrafted, the simplest, most delicate bow. These soaps actually, the ones I have are actually vegan as well. And it says handcrafted with love in Florida. So you can visit Merkaela.com to get more information about them. And I actually have there were three delightful soaps in this box. Smells great. I wish that the back told you what. Oh yeah, it does actually. So this one is made from organic oils and palm, coconut, olive oil, natural peppermint and essential oils, rosemary extract, spearmint. So that's this one. Love it so much. Okay. We have another box, and this one, essential oils and palm. Let me see, what else is there? Orange peel, rosemary extract. Okay, that's a winner. I wonder which one I'm gonna use this evening for my shower. I'm so excited. And then we have another one that is also olive and palm, which is clearly their key ingredients, rosemary and aloe vera. So just really nice, clean ingredients, right? Kind of ingredients that you would want on your body. And this is what I got. Handcrafted, handmade soaps in my first CrateJoy order. Beautifully packaged. I highly recommend you check out to see what else they have on their website, because it's great. It's great gifting for you, great gifting for a friend, great gifting for Mother's Day. So if you're wondering what you would get for a special mom in your life, this is definitely a good idea. By the way, most of these boxes ship within 1 to 2 days of ordering. So that means if you're a late shopper like me, and I tend to be a late shopper, you can still get the box delivered and shipped on time to your special person before Mother's Day. Isn't that great? So there you go. That's my box. Make sure to look at the description down below. In the description box, I'll give you all the information about how you can find out what is this company and how you can order your box. All right, that's it for now. Thank you for tuning and watching. And remember to take care of yourself, okay? Try the box and live healthfully and do it with finesse and style. Bye for now.